everyone, welcome back to my channel, Ask DeAvila Sadé, with your host, Dr. DeAvila Sadé, and this is my Wintertime Microlocs night routine. Let's go ahead and jump into it. I am so ready. First, I'm starting off with a damp washcloth. I am using this damp washcloth just to clean up any residue around my edges from wearing edge control. I'm very gentle with this and I don't rub too hard. You don't have to do this step, but I don't like build up on my edges. So I'm very, very gentle as I'm cleaning out or cleaning off any edge control that I probably had during the day. Next, we're going in with my favorite product ever in life. It is the Royal Oil Scalp Elixir. You guys know, if you are not new to my channel, that I was diagnosed with seborrheic dermatitis probably almost 2 years ago. And this product, along with the entire line, has been so helpful in my scalp journey, in my healthy scalp and healthy hair journey. So I love putting this on. I don't put it on every night if I don't have to, just depends how my scalp feels, but I will put it on every other night, especially if I'm extending my wash weeks from 1 week to 2 weeks. And I like to really massage it into my scalp. I'll make sure that I link all the products below per usual, so you don't even have to worry. After I do the royal oils, I'm going in with the Heritage Store rose water and glycerin spray. I love it. You can substitute this and just use water, but I really, really love it to spray it on my locks. After that, I have added oil to my lock routine. This is coconut oil, just a very lightweight oil to seal in that moisture, especially for the winter time, because we do not want our hair to feel dry. We just want to make sure it stays in a healthy state. So after my locks mature, I did add coconut oil to my routine. So if your locks are mature, you can go ahead and do that. And you don't have to add oil, because y'all see, for over 2 years, I have not. So this is something very new to my routine. After I'm done oiling my locks, I go ahead and braid it up. I do split each section because I have my hair in 4 sections. I split each section into 4 sections, and I do 2 chunky braids per section. So I'm going to have a chunky braid out when this is done for tomorrow. This style typically does not last more than a couple of days because it's chunky. If I did smaller braids, it would be more defined. But this is just a quick little chunky braid out. That's why when you're spraying your hair, you're not making it super wet. You're just damping it a little bit so it can be dry by the morning. Once I'm done braiding my hair all the way to the end, I will flip my ends inside or flip it under and take a little rubber band and put it on the bottom to keep that in place so the braid does not unravel. And you guys, that's pretty much it. It's really simple. I'm gonna go ahead and show you me putting the second braid on this section. Again, I have already did my scalp elixir, so I am now just spraying it with the rose water and glycerin spray from Heritage Store. After that, taking me just a little bit, maybe a dime size amount of the coconut oil, and just, you see how I'm just squeezing the products into my hair. I'm rubbing it through just a little bit, but for the most part, I'm squeezing the products to get in the locks. I'm doing that with the spray and I'm doing it with the coconut oil. Then I go and do my little chunky braid. I am not a professional braider whatsoever. Okay, this is not my calling in life, but I gets the job done. And I'm gonna just finish braiding this section, put a rubber band, tuck it under, put a rubber band at the end, and I will be done with my entire section. And then after that, I will just fast forward through the rest of my nighttime routine so you can see it. I'm going to also add in here that your sections don't have to be perfectly straight. Y'all know, if y'all are not new to my channel, that my sections are rarely ever perfectly straight. So, just do what you got to do. You don't have to do as many braids as I do. Just do whatever feels right to you. I would also advocate for you to make sure that during this time, during your routine, that you are giving yourself a scalp massage with the Royal Oils Elixir. The oils, peppermint oils, apple cider vinegar, all the little whatever is in the product is so good. Make sure you're just taking the time. This is a great self-care moment. You know, me being a therapist, a mental health therapist, that I'm always a proponent for doing self-care. So make sure that you're really just, relax, relate, release, taking the time to just massage your scalp, getting any of the dead skin off with the elixir. Again, as you see, my parts are nowhere near straight whatsoever, and I promise you it's gonna get the job done. It's super, look, we just try to go to bed at this point, so it's super easy. Again, if you want to do more braids or less braids, be my guest, it's up to you. Considering on my hair that you're seeing here, it is a fresh braid. No, it is a fresh retie. Sorry about that. It is a fresh retie. So I'm also not making my braids super tight because I just got a retie, and usually I don't manipulate my hair at least for a week or two when I first get a retie. So you did see that my braids probably don't look super tight because my retie is fresh. Now we are finishing up with my black Jamaican castor oil. You can use any one you prefer, any brand. I just have this one at home, so this is the one I'm using. And I'm just putting it on my edges because we want to make sure that we keep our edges healthy and strong. Here you're going to see me just really massaging it into my edges and around the perimeter of my head. And that's it. Like, I just want to just take care of my edges, make sure that it's not super tight around the edges, the braids aren't. After that, throwing on my satin bonnet. You can put on any satin bonnet. This is the one that y'all seen 1,000,008 times. That is it. That is all. And that's it for my routine. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.